Final 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes na. Oy! Gandang mat! Tangin mo. 66. Nay, napaling bola. 66-52. Cortez. 15-second shot clock. Wala. Rebound. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 4 minutes and 45. 15-second shot clock. 66-52. Ano? 10 seconds to shoot. Ayun na si De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Foul! Okay. 67. 52. 4 minutes and 24 seconds.
4 minutes, 20 seconds.
4 minutes, 20 seconds. 20 second shot clock. Lucilio. Pull up, yeah! Ay, wala. Di ba ni Paggaw? Paggaw to Bakay to Burgos. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Burgos. Burgos to De La Cruz. 15 laman ng 15. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Umikot. Pull up, yeah! Wala. Back. Nice foul. Bakay.
Foul para ng jersey number 14, holding foul.
Huli pa! Grabe yun. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Tang huli pa yun. 15 seconds shoot. Burgos to Lapat. 10 seconds. 8 seconds shoot. Paggaw. 4-3. Wala. Di ba ni Bakay? Oy, crap foul. Offensive foul. Sayang. Sab. Grabe yung talaga Bakay dun. Lamang ng 15. 67-52. Lucilio, Tuwilagres, yeah! And ball. Last 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Inbounding Burgos. Line ball violation.
And it's a line ball.
Turnover.
That's 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Press.
Lapat coming out.
Hoy, David, duminga ka naman.
For Mejia and Corpus.
Okay. 3 and 5. What a play! Huli, pull up gay. Wala. Nadaganan, gago. Bakay. Last 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 2 minutes. Rapidly. Paggaw out. Inbounding. Baldomero. Baldomero to Tangonan. 15 seconds. Ayun na, Tangonan. 15 seconds shoot. Baldomero for 3. Wala pa rin. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Uy, huli. Huli. Ayun na si Tangonan. Ay! Yun lang. Bakay. Bakay. To Mejia. Mejia. To David. To Burgos. Bang! 17 na. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Yan na si Tangonan. Tangonan to Lucilio. Yeah! Pasok! 14. Panganiban. Panganiban to Corpus. Burgos. Last 2 minutes. Ayan na. Panganiban. 14 seconds to shoot. Mejia. Ay, wala. Mejia pa rin. Mejia pa rin. Good. Panganiban to Corpus. Baset. Ah! Grabe yun. Huli pa. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 8. That's Panganiban pushing foul. First.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Lucilio for 3. Wala pa rin. Ayun na si Carl. Burgos to Mejia. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bakay to Corpus. Panganiban to Mejia. 12 seconds to shoot. Bakay. Grabe, ganda ng laro. Wala, malas talaga. Seconds to play, wala talaga. Grabe yun, ganda ng laro. Final score na lang, final score. Final score na lang, final score. Akuin mo na. Final score.
And congratulations! Barangay Attack! And there is a game 3, ladies and gentlemen.